at that time, every blast within hours, TV channels would say RDX, RDX,
RDX,
RDX.
yes.
And it was planted also on TV channels to say RDX. So I remember that time, hardly anybody thought, everybody thought, yeah, LET, RDX. You know, it default pe chala jata hai, you know. So it's possible that also might have happened. I don't know. I'm just saying.
It's absolutely possible. But then isn't that our job to be...
Correct. You're professionals. Yes.
We are professionals, right?
Yeah.
We are following a mandate. The mandate says, who are you to comment unless until you don't have evidence to comment? Then how are we even commenting?
Just because there's a mangled scooter, you presume that under it was the explosive and the
वो भी
explosive was
बहुत ही
RDX.
बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक है कि इसके डिक्की के नीचे रखा है और ये जो ब्लास्ट हुआ है ये RDX ब्लास्ट हुआ है, बोल दिया उन्होंने. द सेकंड थिंग दैट the primary investigator, when I say primary, I mean the first, like on that scene, on that day, उन्होंने किया was, he declared, and this is on his evidence, basically what he said to the court, that this is a stolen bike. ठीक है? I immediately sent a wireless to all the local thanas and all the thanas in Maharashtra, saying कि अगर आपके पास ऐसे make and color की bike की कोई stolen report आई है तो मुझे बताओ. Sir, you are standing there. How do you know this is stolen? He's like, जैसे मैंने चेसी देखा मुझे पता था fake है. आपको कैसे पता? ये बताओ आप. On 30th, at the time when you've seen the bike, how do you know? So this
And
is
it's mangled completely.
Exactly. So how do you know that this is stolen? So there is how, and this is where, like I said, my expertise, what we do in forensic science is whenever there is a stolen or whenever there is a vehicle, we check two things: if the chassis number and the engine number is intact or is it altered with. Okay, so this is how you ascertain the validity of that bike's owner. हम ये method follow करते हैं. But मिस्टर जो साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर हैं वो तो अभी तक आए ही नहीं हैं. वो तो आपके क्राइम सीन पे पहुंच के उन्होंने वो एविडेंस उठा के एनालाइज तो अभी तक किया ही नहीं है. तो हाउ डू यू नो दिस इज अ फेक chassis number because he said it, and the other thing, it is a stolen bike. He's like, I immediately started, I round up 5 people and I immediately started questioning them कि ये किसका बाइक है, कौन छोड़ के गया, तुम्हें पता है. तो मतलब there is a narrative set already which is also observed by the honorable court, which is like I said, the nitty-gritty the nitty-gritty that the court has observed, like the depths that they have gone to, commendable. So when I started reading, I asked sir ये आपने notice किया क्या? मतलब how is this person on 30th telling you कि ये stolen है? Sir is like, Priya, we had not seen this.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.